Welcome to Insight into Wild Accounting, a McGraw-Hill informative series covering updates and new features on the wild family of accounting products. This episode features Kitty O'Donnell, professor at Onondaga Community College. In this episode, Kitty explains how the newly revised and now algorithmic general ledger problems help her students see the big picture.
My name's Kitty O'Donnell, and I've had the privilege of teaching at Onondaga Community College in Syracuse, New York since 1981. And we started out with plain old practice sets on green paper, and we learned a lot. I learned a lot from those as a student. And now with the new general ledger questions, we're able to bring the depth of understanding that I learned from doing the old-fashioned practice set into a really dynamic environment. We use the general ledger questions as teaching tools, where we project the entire question up on this magnificent screen and the students follow right along, and they can see the financial statements evolve with each transaction. And at any point in time, I can click on an account balance and work it backwards to the individual transaction. When I go from Chapter 2, just plain old journal entries, to Chapter 3, where we do adjusting entries, and then finally closing entries, the students really see the impact of the individual transaction and what they're eventually going to prepare, which are hopefully deluxe financial statements. We use these general ledger questions as part of our assessment because they do test the entire accounting cycle, and we found these very successful. We also use these as pre-tests as our students move into intermediate, and it's not surprising to have a student say, "Oh, now I get it." So I think they're fabulous. I think that they bring a lot of value to the product and allow me to teach at a higher level than I was without them. So I hope you check them out.